Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we had some very windy conditions yesterday. We'll continue to see some breezy conditions across the area today as that pressure gradient remains fairly tight over the Wallops region, but not nearly as windy as what we saw yesterday. We'll see those winds increasing as we go throughout the morning and afternoon hours. Could see a wind advisory posted once again later today. Current surface analysis showing high pressure building in from the west. You can see these isobars still fairly tight across the northeast and mid-Atlantic region, indicating those breezy conditions that will be in store for us later on today. But as far as the overall weather pattern, we're going to be pretty quiet over the next couple of days, as really no major systems will be moving through over the weekend, and we'll see fairly dry conditions with the exception of just a slight chance of some precipitation later this evening. I want to take a quick look at our current radar depiction. You can see no precipitation showing up in our immediate vicinity, and we are expecting that trend to continue throughout most of the day today until we get into the later portions of the evening hours tonight, later portions of the day as we go into the evening tonight. Looking at our visible satellite imagery, you can see a little bit of cloudiness starting to overspread the region. We'll start to see those clouds increase as we have a weak upper level disturbance that will be moving through later this evening. Here we go with the forecast model tracking the light rain shower and possibility of a flurry potential that we have later this evening. This is at about 7 p.m. tonight. You can see some widely scattered showers well off to our north. Batch of precipitation being depicted from the model off to our southwest as well. But as you can see, these showers are fairly scattered in nature as they move through later this evening. But around 10 o'clock, that'll probably be our best shot at getting some light rain and maybe a chance of a flurry or two mixing in as that system moves off the coast. But very little significance with this passage of precipitation as it goes through. Not expecting any more than maybe a trace to 100th or 200th of an inch of rain as these showers move through the area. After midnight tonight, the showers will be well off the coast, and we will see dry weather through the overnight period into the day on Saturday, and expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day on Saturday, with little in the way of any precipitation chances for the rest of the weekend. Currently out there, we do have a broken deck of clouds at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Our winds are out of the southwest at 8 knots, temperature 36 degrees, relative humidity at 54%. And as we go through the next 24 hours, we're going to continue to see temperatures warming throughout the day pretty quickly, up to about 49 degrees by this afternoon under mostly cloudy skies. Again, those breezes will increase as we go through the morning and afternoon hours. Could see a wind advisory posted later this afternoon, but looks like it will be a pretty close call as winds are expected to be about 24 knots with their peak gusts through the afternoon hours. Overnight tonight, that's when we'll likely see that slight chance of precipitation. After 6 p.m. this evening, introducing that chance of light rain and carrying it until about midnight tonight. Possibility you could see some of those rain showers mixing with a few flurries at times as we near midnight, but not looking at anything real significant with these showers, with very light amounts of rain expected as they move through the area. After midnight tonight, clouds will begin to clear. We'll see an overnight low of 32 degrees with those winds shifting out of the northwest by Saturday morning. And then for Saturday, expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy and cool conditions with a high of 41. Saturday night, partly cloudy, breezy and cool with a low of 27. And for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy skies. It will be a bit warmer on Sunday than what we see on Saturday. Saturday should be the coldest day of the next several, with a high of 41 compared to today's high near 50 and Sunday's high around 48 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast and a look at some mild conditions expected for the middle of the week. Have a nice day.